guys, it's Fran. So welcome back to another video, and good news, this is not my last video. So I know my setup is weird and the lighting is weird, but this is just gonna be a quick video because today I am gonna be unboxing my Instax Mini 9. I'm so excited. I really want an Instax like 2 years ago. So yeah, this is from my lola and my mama. I think pinaghatian nila, and they got it for me, advance birthday gift ata. So okay, I don't know what to do. So okay, let's get into the video. So okay, I don't know what color. What color is this again? Oh, it's ice blue. Oh, ang cute! It has a strap. And from polka dot. Mama, ang cute. Oh my god, here it is. I'm out of words. Oh my god, look how pretty. It's like close to mint green, and if you guys know, my favorite color is mint green. So as we all know, Mini 9 has this mirror selfie what do you call that, indicator in the front, and we have here the lens attachment. Yeah, and look, this is so cute. It's like a lace. Tapos, ang cute ng design. And it's mint green. Oh my gosh, I'm panicking. Okay, so this is one of my favorite parts of having an Instax. The sticker. So we have some papers. And we have some free batteries. Sorry po. Are you hurt? No, okay. Buti naman. Okay, so since I don't know what to do, I'm gonna watch a YouTube video. But I think dito mo ilalagay yung batteries niya. Okay, we got that out. Is it supposed to fall off? Oh my gosh, yeah, here. So we're gonna put the batteries inside. Sandali, ayaw matanggal. Excuse me. Okay.
We have one of the funnest cameras, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9.
Let's skip it.
Film, trying to figure out instant film camera. So you gotta keep that safe.
So I have here 2 packs of film, and kung alam niyo kung gaano kamahal yung film, yan yung isang month ng allowance ko, I think. I think lang if may pasok, pero ngayon wala, so ayun, I don't know what to do.
Now this is the entry-level model for the Fujifilm Instax line. There are a ton. It goes for about $65 on this side. Pop it down, put in the batteries. I'm going to show you how to do that.
Okay,
So you
guys.
know how. Close the door.
Wait. Okay, here. Okay. I put in the batteries na. Okay, tapos i-close natin siya. Okay, like so. Okay, here. Oh my gosh, why am I nervous?
Smart. Camera is now set up. Okay, now turning it on is actually kind of trips me up sometimes. It's this little button over on this side. You push it and the lens pops out. Now it's on. You can look on the top here. When you see that orangey red light, you know that it's ready to go. Okay, so that's how you turn the camera on, but the important part is loading it with film. So I am going to show you how to do that, and I don't want you to panic but it's actually super, super duper easy.
Wait to hold it.
Now, when you take out the film, you will see that there are these no finger little
Signs.
pictures all over it,
Yeah.
and that's telling you don't squish this. If you squished it with your finger like that, there's so many chemicals in here that are what make the instant film work that you will totally mess up your photos if you squish it. So hold it from the edges, nice and gentle. Okay, you got your film ready? Let's put it in the camera.
Okay.
So, around on the back here. Okay, here's the tricky part. See this little yellow dot here? See this little yellow dot here?
Yeah, I see it.
Right? Not so tricky. Line up the yellow dots and drop it in. That easy. Close the door. And this is so handy. There's this little tiny window here that will let you be able to tell whether or not there's some film in there.
Mhm.
If it's yellow, from the little yellow dot, you know there's film inside the camera. If there's no yellow dot, it's empty. So handy. Okay, now, this is really important.
It's
In your pack of film, there is something called a dark slide. It's like a cardboard cover that doesn't let the light damage the film, which means the first image you take here is not going to be a photo. So don't get everything all set up, ready to take the shot. You have to take that dark slide off first. So turn on the camera like that, nice and easy.
Okay, I'm gonna learn
lens that comes
first,
with the Mini 9.
and then I'm
This is
gonna
going to let
take
you
a picture later.
at a distance between
Read.
35 or
I'm so
this
nervous
horizontal
of
photo.
these
When you're doing a
photos
horizontal
kung
photo,
anong
this right
ano
here is
niya.
your flash. Make sure that's
But
on the top, so don't hold it like that.
It has the
I'm
attachment.
going to do a vertical photo here, so I'm going to go like this.
Okay, so that is all for this video, and I want to share to you my first film. Yeah, I mean, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I don't know why I got so nervous earlier, but anyways, don't forget to jump. Follow me on my social media accounts and click the like button, the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on my next video. I really hope I could upload na like weekly so that active tayo. But I'll try kasi classes are coming next month, so ayun, thank you guys, and I'll see you on my next video.